right if you want.
Right, guys, we come across these. The two green ones are flashing, the middle one's alright. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to manufacturer's instructions. According to manufacturer's instructions, if the green lights are flashing and the middle one's solid, it's a lack of burner ignition. So basically there's no signal to the circuit board. Right, in this video we're going to hopefully diagnose it and repair it. And if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So what we're going to do is we're going to reset and let's see what happens. That's it.
We just need some hot water.
Right, guys. Just clean that up. These three. I've cleaned them up here. And then we're gonna have a go. I'm gonna switch it on now. Right. Let's see what happens now. Not really. That'll do. Thanks. How the website work? You know, I'm gonna. Right, guys. Sort this boiler out. No more flashing. All I had to do is clean the electrodes up. You know, the detection electrode, I think that must have had some dust on it. So I'll clean that out. It's all working fine. The central heating is working fine. So we're testing out hot water now. So right, guys, I'm testing the hot water out. That's got it down a bit. Right, that's been warming up. That's brilliant. So good. Right, guys, I've just repaired this Biasi boiler. Do you know what? This is a 20-year-old boiler and we're still working for him. So it's brilliant. Biasis are good, reliable boilers. They've been working for 20 years. So that's amazing. Anyway, I came down. It wasn't firing up. It wouldn't stay alight, basically. I cleaned out the electrode and so it started working, which is surprising. I thought it might be a bit deeper, you know, maybe a circuit board issue on it. But thankfully, it wasn't something simple and we sorted it out and it's all working fine for the customer. So hopefully it's a short video. You enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix. My friend here, hopefully he's quite happy to give me a video review, and I'm so grateful for that, and thank you for that.
Yeah, thank you very much for helping me out. My son wanted to have a shower and we were worried. We were thinking what's going to happen, but he can have his shower and everything's great. The boiler's working fine.
Oh,
you know, I'm really happy with how it's all gone. Really happy. I will say one thing. I was actually right because you thought it was the board.
Yeah, I thought it was good. So he was brilliant. He was really good. Oh, by the way, this my friend here does web designs. Tell me about your business.
Yeah, we do internet web design. Our website is cleanwebsites.co.uk. So if you need any websites, we can do a full website with security certificate and hosting. Whether it's a shop, appointment system, anything.
That's brilliant, guys. Because I've got websites, right? And I remember mine just went down. I didn't know who to go to. Now at least I know. If I got any problems with my website, I'm going to contact him to help me out. So if you got a website that needs updating or anything like that, or you need a new website, just give my friend a call. I'm going to put that up. I'm going to put that in the video as well. His phone number and his website. So thank you very much for the review, my friend. Thank you.
No problem.